Kushan Sarkar, go ahead.
Hi Rahul.
Hello.
My question is, Duan Oliver yesterday during an interaction said that he feels that Centurion pitch will be slow to start off with and the pace will increase as the passage of day increases. Like you people had some center wicket training. So what kind of assessment is yours? And also vis-a-vis, like is four bowler a problem in terms of workload management? If a team plays four bowlers?
Sir, look, I think Duan Oliver will know these conditions a lot better than us. Yes, even the last time we played here, the wicket started off a bit slow and then quickened up and then got slow again. And I think from whatever information we can gather about the Centurion pitch, it's been that kind of a pitch. Yes, and even in the center wicket practice, we experienced the same things, and we try to prepare accordingly. And when it comes to your second bit of the question, four bowlers, I think most teams have started playing four bowlers and five bowlers because every team wants to pick up 20 wickets, and that's the only way you can win a test match. And we've definitely used that tactic, and it's helped us in all our away. In every test match that we've played away from India, it's really helped us. So I think the workload also becomes slightly easier to manage with five bowlers, and when you have that kind of quality, I think you might as well use it.
Deepika Roy, go ahead.
Hi, thanks. I think Kushan asked my question earlier. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we'll shift to the local media before going to the regional media in India. Kaniso, you can go ahead with your question. Kaniso.
Thank you very much. Good morning, KL, and good morning to all our colleagues. I've got a two-pronged question here, KL. The first one: how big is the series for you guys? Because since 2004, India have won a Test series everywhere but South Africa. So how big is the series the series for you guys in South Africa?
Yeah, it's a huge series, and for us as a team, we've always taken the away series as a challenge. I know lot has been said and written about Team India not being able to win series away from India, which we've worked really hard towards, and we won series in England and Australia, which gives us a lot of confidence. And also we're really looking forward to this challenge in South Africa. Like you said, we haven't won a series here, so that gives us extra motivation to go out there and give it our best performance and try and learn from the mistakes we have done in the past tour and try and be better this time and enjoy our cricket and try and win the series.
Sipo, you can go ahead with your question if you can hear us. Sipo. Sipo, if you can hear us, you can send the question on chat as well. We'll shift to the regional media in India. Rohit Juglan, you can go ahead with your question.
थैंक यू राहुल भाई, क्या कप्तानी ने किसी भी तरीके से आपकी बल्लेबाजी को बदला है? किसी तरीके का बदलाव देखते हैं आप कप्तानी के आने के बाद अपनी बल्लेबाजी में?
सर अभी तो आया है, अभी मैच भी नहीं खेला, मैं कैसे आंसर करूंगा ये सवाल को? बट देखिए, आई डोंट थिंक ज़्यादा कुछ चेंज होगा ऑब्वियसली.
नहीं, अभी मतलब अभी
क्या सवाल ही?
Has there been any changes in your batting after being the vice captain?
मेरे हिसाब से तो नहीं. I've always enjoyed the responsibility, और as an opening batsman आप पे हमेशा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहता है कि आप टीम को एक अच्छी स्टार्ट दो. तो आई थिंक बैटिंग के हिसाब से तो वही रहेगा, बट आई थिंक इन द फील्ड थोड़ा और इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहेगा विद इन रिगार्ड्स टू डूइंग आवर स्ट्रैटेजीज कैप्टन के साथ, और टैक्टिकली थोड़ा अगर इंफॉर्मेशन मैं पास कर सकूंगा विराट को, एंड इफ वी कैन ट्राई एंड वर्क टुगेदर, एंड that will be really helpful and will take some pressure off Virat.
Last few questions. Vaibhav, you can go ahead with the question.
केएल भाई, जब आप इंग्लैंड में इस बार पहले तो वैभव बोला टाइम था भारत से, इस बार जब आप इंग्लैंड में खेलने वाले थे तो मेरी आपसे बात हुई थी, तो इस बारे में हमारा डिस्कशन हुआ था कि कई क्रिकेटर्स ये कहते हैं कि केएल राहुल जब इंग्लैंड में खेलते तो बहुत इम्प्रेस करते हैं। उस समय तो आपने शायद इस बात को कहा था कि शायद बहुत ज्यादा लोग ऐसा नहीं सोचते, लेकिन हाँ, अब जब आप दक्षिण अफ्रीका में जा रहे हैं तो इंग्लैंड की शानदार फॉर्म, किस तरीके से प्लान है उसे यहाँ कैरी फॉरवर्ड करने का?
देखिए सर, मैं एक्चुअली कभी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं सोचता कि इंग्लैंड में मैंने परफॉर्म किया है और यहाँ पे भी परफॉर्म करना है, अगर परफॉर्म नहीं करूँगा तो क्या होगा, इतना मैं ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं। मेरे हाथ में यही है कि मैं बेस्ट तरीके से मैं प्रिपेयर करूँ, अपने आप को एक बेस्ट चांस और अपॉर्चुनिटी दूँ सक्सीड करने के लिए ये कंडीशंस में। तो प्रिपरेशन, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा, प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हुआ है यहाँ पे, एंड नॉट जस्ट मी, everybody in the team has had a good time here in the middle, और प्रिपरेशन अच्छे से हुआ है। सो we're all excited। हम जैसे आपने कहा, अगर इंग्लैंड में जो परफॉर्मेंस हुआ है, सेम वे मैं यहाँ पे भी ट्राई करूँगा कि मैं अपने टीम को एक अच्छा स्टार्ट दूँ। ट्राई एंड, जैसे मैंने कहा कि न्यू बॉल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है यहाँ ऐसे कंडीशंस में, स्पेशली साउथ अफ्रीका में। तो हाउ आई कैन get through that new ball and try and score big for my team. So I'm really excited, और hopefully वही इंग्लैंड का फॉर्म यहाँ पे भी मैं कंटिन्यू कर पाऊँगा।
KL, Harbhajan Singh has just announced retirement. So do you have any reaction or a thank you message that you can give for Harbhajan?
Yeah, I think Bajuppa has been one of the greatest spinners for our country, and he's been, हमारे लिए, स्पेशली यंगस्टर्स के लिए, when we came into the dressing room, he was someone who was very supportive and really welcomed us into the team. So I'd like to wish him all the very best for the next chapter of his career, and we've had some great times. So a big thank you to him, and wishing him all the very best.
Final question, Vinayak M, you can go ahead.
Hi, KL, this is Vinayak from Scroll.in. My question is, so when India have done well in overseas test recently, it's been built on a good start in the first test. You've spoken about good start as an opener, but how important is this first test of the series? Has there been a discussion on doing well in this first test, and how important is this considered to make sure that the series is off to a good start?
Absolutely. I think the discussion so far has only been about the first test match. We're not thinking too far ahead. You're spot on that, the first test match of the series is the most important, and it's very important for us to start well. So all the discussion, all our focus has been on trying to do the best in the first game and try and get the team off to a good start, be it with the bat, be it with the ball. We prepared really well, like I've said multiple times, and we just want to go out there, enjoy our cricket, and try and do our best.